If the dome camera will be using the pendant wall mount, you need to install the NPT adapter as well. Start with determining where the cable enters the pendant wall mount. If you are pulling the cable from inside the mounting surface, use the cable entry hole at the rear of the pendant wall mount. If you are pulling the cable through an external conduit pipe, use the 3/4 inch NPT pipe entry hole on the bottom of the pendant wall mount. Next, use the provided mounting template to drill 4 mounting holes into the mounting surface. If you're using the rear cable entry hole, also drill the cable entry hole in the mounting surface. Fasten the pendant wall mount bracket to the mounting surface. Then, insert the pendant wall mount over the bracket mounting tabs. Pull the required cables through the preferred cable entry hole on the pendant wall mount. If you are using the pipe entry hole, pull the cables through the pipe conduit, then the wall mount. Next, apply thread seal tape to the pipe conduit and screw it into the pipe entry hole. Tighten the wall mount screws to secure the wall mount to the bracket. Next, remove the sealing grommet from the camera base. The sealing grommet should always be used to prevent dust and debris from entering the camera. Push the Ethernet cable through the grommet using one of the following methods. If the Ethernet cable is not crimped, push the cable through the grommet. If the Ethernet cable is already crimped, place the grommet piercing cap on the Ethernet connector, then push the cable through the grommet. Ensure that the orientation of the cable and grommet matches what is shown here. Next, screw the lock nut and the NPT adapter into the pendant wall mount. Then, carefully tighten the lock nut until the NPT adapter is secured to the wall mount. After you install the mounting adapter, the next step is to mount the camera base to the adapter. Attach the lanyard on the mounting adapter to the anchor on the camera base. Next, pull the required Ethernet cable through the cable entry hole on the camera base. Connect the cable to the Ethernet port. The link LED will turn on once a network link has been established. Press the camera base into the mounting adapter until it clicks into place and the camera is held securely. To aim the camera, reference the camera's live video stream while making any adjustments. Unlock the pan lock latch on the camera base, then pan the lens until it is aimed in the correct direction. If the camera stops panning before it reaches its final destination, stop and pan the camera in the opposite direction. Loosen the tilt lock thumb screws to tilt the lens. Lock the pan lock latch and tighten the tilt lock screws to secure the dome camera's position. Rotate the azimuth control ring to set the image to the correct angle. Next, attach the dome cover to the base by tightening the screws with the Torx driver. Remove the protective cover on the outside of the dome bubble.